36 is 6. So ngayon, para po makuha natin kung ano ba yung factor ni 25x squared minus 36, is nakuha na natin yung kanilang square root, yung kanyang first term at saka yung kanyang constant term. Okay, so we have 5x and 6. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan, we're going to put it, pagsasamahin lang natin. So like for example, 5x, okay, 5x plus 6, okay, and then we have 5x minus 6. Now, kaya naging positive and negative yung kanilang sign kasi sa square of a binomial, ang factor po lagi ng square of a binomial ay isang positive yung sign at isang negative naman ang sign. So therefore, if we're going to equate it to 0, so we have 5x plus 6 equals 0, and we have another one, 5x minus 6 equals 0. So ang pinagkaiba lang naman nila class is they have different sign which is positive and negative. So like kung ano lang yung ginagawa natin, we need to transpose positive 6 to the right side. So magiging 5x, okay, 5x equals from positive that will be now negative, and then divide both side by 5, and then cancel si 5. So natira lang natin ay x equals, now we have the answer which is negative 6 all over 5. Okay, and now we have another one, 5x minus 6, same process kung ano yung ginawa natin. So 5x, si negative 6, we're going to transpose it to the right side. From negative, siya ngayon ay magiging positive 6. Then divide both side by 5. Okay, cancel si 5, so natural lang ay x equals 6 all over 5. So now the value of our x